Imagine waking up tomorrow with one goal in mind and to build a startup from scratch. No funding, no fancy team, just you, your laptop, and the limitless world of artificial intelligence at your fingertips. But here's the twist. The AI world of 2025 is crowded. Thousands of tools launch every quarter. Hype is louder than results. So, how do you pick the right tools? Ones powerful enough to build an entire business around. That's what this story is about. In today's case study, we'll explore 3 AI tools so transformative that if someone gave me just these and a dream, I'd confidently say, I can build a startup around this today. The Awakening. Gumloop, the automation magician. Our story begins in San Francisco, inside a small workspace where 2 young engineers, both in their 20s, quietly built something that tech CEOs would soon call magic glue for AI workflows. The product's name? Gumloop. Gumloop doesn't just automate tasks. It's like Zapier met ChatGPT and had a genius child. It allows you to visually build AI workflows, not by coding, but by connecting ideas. Let's say our fictional founder, Ria, wants to launch a cold outreach startup. She dreams of helping small businesses get more leads, but hates the manual grind, collecting data, sending emails, managing responses. Here's how she does it with Gumloop. She connects Browse AI to extract potential client data from websites, feeds that info to GPT-4 inside Gumloop, where the AI automatically writes personalized outreach emails. Those emails are fed into Gmail using Gumloop's workflow, while another automation tracks, replies, and updates outcomes in Notion. Zero code, zero manual repetition, just intelligent AI orchestration. And here's where Gumloop outshines classic automation tools. It has built-in access to top-tier AI models like OpenAI's GPTs or Anthropic's Claude, no API costs. It features MCP, Model Context Protocol, so you can build agents that remember context across tools. It allows continuous automations. Gumloop agents can run 24/7, reacting to real-time events like a digital employee. Big brands like Shopify, Instacart, and Webflow already use it internally, but it's small creators and founders like Ria who can truly transform it into a business engine. Imagine building a SaaS startup where you sell pre-built AI workflows, AI sales assistant bots, content repurposing engines, or viral TikTok generators. With Gumloop, your product isn't an app, it's an automation ecosystem. Ria's fictional company launches in 30 days. Her AI workflows handle client onboarding. Gumloop agents connect all the dots. In month 1, she automates 70% of her work. In month 3, she gets her first corporate license sale. $6,000 recurring monthly revenue, all with one AI tool, Gumloop. Gumloop is what happens when AI grows hands. It doesn't just think, it works. The visionary, Jasper, the storyteller of startups. The second tool in our story belongs to a different kind of founder, Arjun, a content strategist with zero coding background but a talent for words. He wants to create an agency that produces brand content at scale, from product blogs to sales copy to social media scripts. But hiring writers, too expensive. Managing dozens of clients, too chaotic. Enter Jasper, an AI content marketing suite loved by over 500,000 creators worldwide. Now, Jasper isn't just another writing bot, it's a marketing brain. Arjun sits with Jasper, typing a command. Write a blog post about eco-friendly sneakers for Gen Z buyers with a playful tone. In seconds, Jasper generates a full SEO-optimized draft with structure, trend references, and even social captions. What used to take Arjun's team 3 hours happens in minutes. But the real magic is personalization. Jasper lets you build brand voices, meaning Arjun's clients each get their own virtual writing persona. He trains Jasper to understand Nike's confident tone, IKEA's minimalistic simplicity, and his own agency's friendly conversational style. His startup Copy Orbit now runs on a simple strategy. Jasper handles content creation across platforms. Surfer SEO integrates with Jasper to ensure every word ranks. Gumloop handles automation workflows to deliver content to clients automatically. Within months, Copy Orbit scales to dozens of businesses, delivering high-quality copy with near zero overhead. The agency's staff, just 3 humans supervising AI. The rest, email copy, product descriptions, blog posts, all generated through Jasper. Here's why Jasper is different from other AI generators today. It creates copy optimized for conversion, not just coherence. It integrates directly with marketing tools like HubSpot and Google Docs. It features a campaign mode, which produces full end-to-end marketing frameworks for new product launches. For startups, Jasper transforms chaos into clarity and speed. In the modern startup world, whoever tells the best story wins. Jasper doesn't just help you tell that story, it helps you tell it faster, sharper, and at scale. Arjun's Copy Orbit grows fast. By the end of year one, he's generating $25,000 per month in retainer clients, and 80% of daily writing is done by Jasper. His biggest challenge isn't finding clients, it's keeping up with growth. He calls it the agency that never sleeps, because Jasper never does. The creator, Runway, where words become worlds. Our third and final character, Maya, is not a coder or marketer. She's a filmmaker, frustrated by one thing: she has more ideas than she can afford to produce. Traditional video production needs crews, cameras, and cash. But AI, specifically Runway ML, is changing that. Runway is a creative AI studio that lets you generate and edit entire videos using text prompts. Think of it as having an in-house production team inside your laptop. When Maya types a futuristic cityscape at sunset, cinematic tone, Runway instantly generates several high-definition video clips. When she wants a character walking across that skyline, Runway's motion tools animate realistic movement frame by frame. Within weeks, she builds an entire 2-minute concept trailer for a sci-fi series. No cameras, no VFX team, just creativity. But Maya doesn't stop there. She pivots from films to advertising, launching a service that helps small brands create AI-generated commercials, customized by industry and tone of voice. A cafe in Paris hires her to produce a moody 30-second ad featuring latte art blooming under neon lights. Runway does the heavy lifting. Maya's creative direction makes it shine. Her cost per project, $40. Her charge per client, $800. Runway's power lies in 4 areas: text-to-video generation, full HD clips from just descriptions, AI green screening and editing, removes or changes backgrounds instantly, multimodal creativity, combine text, image, and video AI tools, rapid prototyping, test, add ideas, or visual effects in hours instead of weeks. By integrating Runway's video AI into her workflow, Maya's brand Pixel Shift Studios skyrockets. She gets featured on creative forums and even lands a contract with a tech accelerator to produce pitch videos for startups. Runway democratized cinema. It took creativity, once trapped in expensive studios, and put it in the hands of dreamers. For Maya, this wasn't just a business, it was proof that imagination, powered by AI, could be profitable. Building the AI startup trio, Riya, Arjun, and Maya, 3 founders, 3 tools, 1 startup ecosystem connecting them all. Their stories show something deeper. Gumloop automates systems, Jasper communicates meaning, and Runway visualizes dreams. Together they represent the 3 pillars of a modern AI-first company. Pillar: tool purpose, example, outcome, automation. Gumloop builds internal AI workflows without code, automates tasks for sales or research, communication. Jasper generates brand voice and marketing content, creates entire content campaigns. Creation: Runway produces AI visuals and videos, generates ads, explainer videos, films. Each tool alone is powerful, but combined they can build a scalable startup stack. Picture this ecosystem. Jasper creates personalized content for a new brand. Runway turns that content into short promotional videos. Gumloop distributes the content automatically across YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram while tracking engagement stats. You now have what investors call a one-person media startup running 24/7, powered entirely by AI. The realization: why these 3 tools? The reason I'd build around these 3 isn't hype, it's leverage. They solve 3 startup challenges all founders face: scale without team bloat. Gumloop acts as automation labor, replacing human admin. Storytelling without burnout. Jasper crafts magnetic narratives that convert browsers into believers. Creativity without barriers. Runway makes high-quality visuals possible even for solo founders. Each one allows founders to punch above their weight. With tools like these, the startup equation changes forever. You no longer need 10 employees, just 1 visionary founder and 3 AI co-pilots. The future of AI-first startups. In a world flooded with AI hype, these are not shiny toys. They are instruments of scale, tools that redefine what entrepreneurship even means. Gumloop teaches us that automation isn't about replacing people, it's about freeing humans to imagine. Jasper proves that words, when scaled by intelligence, can move markets. And Runway shows that creativity isn't limited by cameras or code, just by courage. So if the question is, what AI tools would you build a startup around today? The answer is simple. Build around tools that let you think, speak, and create at the speed of AI. Because the startups of the future won't be built by the biggest teams, they'll be built by the boldest minds, leveraging the smartest tools.